Sugar glider. Sugar gliders are quite exotic creatures with a small body structure, weighing approximately 150 grams. They can be challenging to care for and require patience. As their name suggests, they have a fondness for sugary foods. These adorable creatures, which love trees, have been increasingly removed from their natural habitat and domesticated in recent years. They can quickly adapt to other animals and humans. Finger monkey. The finger monkey, which is the smallest monkey in the world, has an approximate length of 15 centimeters and weighs an average of 100 grams. Despite their small size, they can jump up to 5 meters and, much like owls, can rotate their heads 180 degrees. Their average lifespan is 12 years. However, in some cases, separation from their family can lead to depression and even death for finger monkeys. Fenek Fox. The Fenek Fox is known for its large ears and small body. Whether the Fenek Fox truly belongs to the fox family is a matter of debate, because it has fewer chromosome pairs compared to other fox species. The most distinctive feature of the Fenek Fox is its 15-centimeter long ears, while its tail measures about 25 centimeters in length. With these characteristics, Fenek foxes are incredibly cute animals. Their lifespan can extend up to 15 years. Honduran White Bat. Honduran white bats are a very rare type of bat species. They prefer a humid living environment like rainforests and have recently settled in areas close to humans. They feed on insects. This species, which is about 7 to 8 centimeters long, is covered in fur as white as snow. The white Honduran bat has the ability to blend in with its surroundings. If you had to choose among these animals, which one would you choose? See you in the next video.